Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Nailmas Day 7. So today I wanted to do a really nice blue look. I have said it before and I'll say it again. Blue is having a moment this year. I don't know what's going on, but people are loving it. And I am too. So I wanted to create a nice blue look, some snowflakes, make it nice, make it festive. So as you can see, I'm painting these tips. These are the extra length tapered square tips. They're great, they're amazing. I love these Magpie tips. If you've ever wanted to try kind of press on nails, I do highly suggest looking at these ones. They're very affordable, they're great, they fit really well, they come in loads of sizes. I'm a huge fan. You will see them throughout all of these videos. I love them to bits. So for this look I've gone in with a little bit of an ombre effect. So I started with double denim, which is the lightest colour, going to Sky High, Blue Star, Michelle, and then Blueberry, all from the gel bottle. I've done a couple of coats on that. The Blueberry colour definitely needed an extra coat because it is that little bit sheer. All the others were only 2 coats. And I have just topped it with matte top coat and put it into a lamp for 60 seconds. So I'm just taking a little bit of each of those colours and placing them onto the palette to start doing some nail art. So I'm going to be doing some snowflakes. So I'm going to be using the same colour on top of the same colour, if that makes sense. So I'm using Blueberry on top of Blueberry to create a design. So it's going to be very subtle. It's nothing crazy, nothing out of the ordinary. But I'm going to be topping it with acrylic powder so it stands out and it's got that almost like embossed effect to it. So I'm just using a dotting tool. This one's from Amazon. You can use any one, you can change up the sizes, and I'm just creating little dots using stripers. Again, got my ERIN brushes out. I absolutely love them. Again, all of these links are going to be in the description down below, and I'm just creating little snowflakes. So obviously on the thumb I can get away with something a little bit bigger. On the other fingers I do go for slightly smaller ones. I think on one of them I definitely go for 2, but I'm not sure. So now I'm going in with the acrylic powder and I'm using the GLITTERBELS Crystal Clear. You don't have to use this acrylic powder, you can use honestly any acrylic powder that is clear, or even getting a nice clear one with just a little bit of a sparkle, a little bit of a shimmer to it. They're really pretty as well. So I'm just dropping some acrylic powder on it, sticking it in the lamp, curing it for 60 seconds, and then all you need to do is wipe off this powder and it just leaves you with a really gorgeous kind of embossed effect. It's so easy, it's so effective. I love it. This is something that I do constantly at Christmas time. This is how you achieve those like sweater effect nails, where you have the kind of raised textured design on the nail. Huge fan, absolutely love it. Yeah, nice and easy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to stop talking because I'm just going to leave you enjoy the rest of this video with some music. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.
How you do that? Tell me how you do that. Oh, I know how you do that. Rudolph, tell me how you fly so high. How you fly so high. Rudolph, tell me how you touch the sky. How you touch the sky. They used to make fun of you, call you out your name. Never let poor Rudolph join the reindeer games. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, they came after you, but instead of staying down, you went to the moon. And the day before Christmas, Santa chose you as the one. He said, long as the trees lit bright, I know you can guide my sleigh tonight. your games. Dash it down.